welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the site of photosynthesis. We all know that the site of photosynthesis are the green part of the plants. Okay, the green part of the plants helps in the photosynthesis. Let us take a leaf, structure of leaf. This is our structure of leaf. This is the structure of leaf. If we take a structure, it is having what? It is having the upper epidermis, and the lower epidermis. This lower epidermis is having what? The stomatas. In between the upper epidermis and lower epidermis, we find a parenchyma cell. Okay, upper the compactly arranged parenchyma cell, which we call it as palisade parenchyma, and lower we find a loosely arranged parenchyma, that is what? The spongy parenchymas. Okay, this outer epidermis is covered by what? The cuticle. Okay, this is our cuticle, upper epidermis, lower epidermis, and these parenchyma cells we call it as what? The mesophyll cells. The mesophyll cells. Okay, when we enlarge this particular mesophyll cell, this mesophyll cell is having the vacuole, a large vacuole. It is having a large vacuole and the nucleus, and the very important structure, that is the chloroplast. Okay, that is the chloroplast. When we enlarge this chloroplast, it looks like this. This chloroplast is double membraned structure. It is having the double membrane. This one is our outer membrane, and this is our inner membrane. Okay, as it is having two membranes, one is the outer and other one is the inner, it is called as what? The double membrane organelle. Okay, this is filled with a jelly like substance that we call it as what? The stroma. Okay, the chloroplast is filled with a jelly like material known as what? The stroma. Okay. There are sac like structures. These sac like structures we call it as what? The grana. Okay, the sac like structure we call it as what? The grana. The single sac of this grana we call it as what? Thylakoid. Okay, we call it as what? The thylakoids. Okay, then these grana are connected together by an substance called as stroma lamellae. These are connected together, or these are connected one together by an lamellae called as what? The stroma lamellae. Okay, in the sense they are interconnected by a structure which we call it as what? The stroma lamellae. This chloroplast, it is a double membrane, which is the outer one we call it as outer membrane, the inner one we call it as inner membrane. There is a jelly like substance in the chloroplast that we call it as what? The stroma. There are sac like structures. Those sac like structures we call it as what? The grana. The single sac we call it as what? The thylakoid. Okay, these grana are interconnected by a substance called as what? The stroma lamellae. Okay, this chloroplast is having the ribosomes, its own DNA. Yes, and this thylakoid membrane, what the pigments are present. Okay, On this thylakoid membrane there are some pigments. Let us take this thylakoid. This is our thylakoid structure. Here are the presence of what? The pigments. Okay, here are what? The presence of pigments. Okay, we know that the photosynthesis completes in two main reactions. One is the light reaction and another one is what? The dark reaction. Light reaction and another one is what? The dark reaction. This light reaction occurs in the light reaction occurs in the thylakoid. As the thylakoid contains the pigments, that pigments are going to absorb the light, and this is called as light reaction. This light reaction, it is also called as photophosphorylation. This light reaction, it is also called as what? The photophosphorylation. Okay, here in this photophosphorylation there is a PS1, the photosystem 1, and photosystem 2, which we are going to learn simultaneously in the next classes. Okay, and the dark reaction occurs in the stroma. It occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. Okay, this dark reaction, it is also called as Calvin cycle or C3 cycle. Okay, this dark reaction, it is also called as Calvin cycle and the C3 cycle. Okay.